Hey guys, today's list is full of fun and unusual gadgets, from the ultimate air purifier to an entire set of the most satisfying fidget toys, not to mention creepy dragon claws and some really juicy stuff. As usual, all the links to the products are given in the description box. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's start with Govee's ultra-luminous LED light strip. Unlike the other RGB strips, this Govee RGBIC strip features multiple smart IC chips, giving you stunning segmented colors and extensive customization. Just download the Govee Home app and choose either one of the preset scenes from the list or make your own ones. It's that easy. Due to the built-in high-sensitive mic, the strip will sync with the playing music and turn your flowing rainbow into a light show, changing its colors and flashing speed. Awesome! So hurry up and click the link in the description to get Govee lights with a Mother's Day promotion. Enough of all those jigsaw puzzles and Lego, it's time for you to build your own robots. Don't worry, it's not that difficult compared to regular DIY kits. You'll be provided with step-by-step instructions and the complete set of tools, tweezers, pliers, soldering iron, and all that. Each of the robots features a unique structure and distinctive look, whether it's the spider-like hexapod or the two-legged heavy sniper. You can assemble these one by one or get the complete set that includes 5 items. Some models include only about 20 parts and some of them over 100. All these spaceships and beasts are assembled from printed circuit boards. This component is actually used in all our devices. In addition, you'll have to equip the robots with blinking LED lights. That's how you'll know they're alive. Every vlogger or traveler wants a small action camera that still provides pro-level quality. Well, check this one out then. Thanks to 6-axis stabilization, this thing stands out with perfectly smooth footage. Along with the ultra-crisp 5.7K quality, the cam is capable of shooting stunning 360-degree videos. The sound is also recorded from all sides with 4 different microphones, and on top of that, there's a whole set of creative modes and filters that don't require any professional skills. You can easily film slow-mos and time-lapses, get an invisible selfie stick, or make a crowded street look completely empty. Even more editing tools are available in the AI-powered mobile app. Since this is still an action cam, it's waterproof and overall can work in virtually any conditions. This little rocket will take you to the world of dreams. Just put it on your nightstand and turn on the light to take off. The lamp is completely 3D printed, which makes it extremely realistic. The flame color looks really soft and warm. And there are 2 different versions, so choose the flight direction. You can also adjust the brightness level according to your needs. This rocket lamp features a rechargeable 800 mAh battery. It delivers up to 8 hours of continuous use without any nasty cords. But of course, the USB charging cable is included in the package. That's all it takes to power a whole rocket. And here's a great phone stand that boasts multiple functions and elegant look. You're free to place the phone both vertically and horizontally. The angle is adjustable as well. The coolest part is that the stand also doubles as a quick wireless charger, delivering up to 10 watts output. Safety is completely thought through. This gadget features overcharge and over-temperature protection. But that's not all. Thanks to the integrated LEDs, this stand also acts as a nightlight. There are 3 brightness levels and 3 colors to choose from, and the touch panel on top provides you with effortless controls. Cool. It looks like everyone these days carries the same set of accessories. Well, here are some cool all-metal items you can show off with. This Stormbreaker pendant, for instance, is crafted from titanium. In spite of its tiny size, the accessory is incredibly detailed, and the vibrant color options make it look even more unusual. Another must-have for every Thor fan is this zirconium Mjolnir hammer. It comes in several colors and with various ornaments and textures. So cool! And here's the most stylish and satisfying fidget spinner you can possibly get. Thanks to this ring-like design, the toy is extremely easy to hold and carry. If you're into martial arts, these little nunchucks will make a perfect keychain. Once again, there's a bunch of different designs, but all of them have these great skull tips. You might also need one of these shiny swords to complete the set. A classic one or this colorful minimalist katana. Who would have thought that a coconut could be a high-tech gadget? Well, meet CocoBulbs. These creative lamps are all handcrafted in the Netherlands. Each of them is beautifully decorated with a unique pattern. It creates a mesmerizing projection on your walls within a 100-foot range. There are 3 different types of CocoBulbs: the basic one, the multicolor version, and the one with an integrated base. Aside from various colors, the bulbs also feature 5 brightness levels. The number of LEDs varies across models, but they're all bright enough to be used even in the daytime. And on top of that, these coconuts are actually rechargeable. The battery lasts over 10 hours on a full charge. You can take this thing anywhere you go. This card holder might be simple, but it's no less reliable due to aerospace-grade aluminum. And since it's RFID blocking, thieves won't steal your credit info. The wallet holds up to 5 cards at a time, one of them being exposed. A perfect place for a badge or ID. And the accessory comes in several great colors. Champagne gold and the pinkish red are especially sweet. This wallet is slim enough to fit any of your pockets. But there's another great carrying option. You can wear it on a lanyard. What's more, this thing is actually expandable with a bunch of really neat accessories. The rail system allows you to quickly attach additional compartments and other useful stuff. You'll never run out of space. This projector lamp will turn your room into the most romantic place in the world. No need to wait for a beautiful sunset, it's right on your wall. Or maybe you'd prefer a colorful rainbow. The lamp's rotatable head can be fixed at almost any angle of your choice. Adjusting the shape and size of the projection is even easier. Simply move the lamp farther from the wall to increase the aperture. The lamp's minimalist aluminum body ensures great look and durability. The included power supply features a fairly long USB cable. Plug it in whenever you want. What's the best thing about this Apple Watch charging cable? Well, it doesn't look like a cable at all, and it's actually hidden inside the housing. This makes the device much easier to carry. Now you can clip it to your backpack, add it to your keychain, or simply put it in your pocket. The cable suits virtually all the Apple Watch models and uses the exact same technology as the original charger. The strong magnets keep the watch firmly attached while charging, and naturally, you're free to plug into any adapter, power bank, or laptop. Stay charged and stay on the go. Cameras have so many things in common with the human eye, especially this one. Crazy as it looks, this webcam is a bold experiment that explores the human-tech relationships. Almost everything in this eye reflects real biological structure. The skin layer is made of silicone, while the eyebrow and lashes are actual human hair. The muscles that we have around our eyes are replaced with 6 servo motors. That allows the Eyecam to express various emotions, move the eyelids and the brow just like we usually do. The resolution is still much lower compared to the human eye. It's 720p at 60 frames per second. In addition, the cam is able to observe moving objects and even react to your touch. Who knows? Maybe these eyes are just a first step in a full artificial body. This air purifier for your car does everything that you'd expect and even more. Naturally, its main purpose is fighting smoke and other unpleasant odors. Plus, this gadget is powerful enough to eliminate dust and all the nasty particles, which is great news for your lungs. Unlike other ordinary purifiers, this one produces negative ions, so it doesn't require changing filters or scent refills. The gadget is fairly compact and really easy to install. It simply plugs into the cigarette outlet. On top of that, this thing provides you with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. The integrated LED lighting makes sure you can find the port immediately, even in the dark. Super handy. We all know that fidget toys are the best way to deal with stress, especially those that look great and are made of premium materials. So here are some really cool and unusual options with pretty similar clicky mechanisms. This one is fully made of stainless steel and brass. There's this special groove with a fingerprint pattern that makes the toy really comfortable to hold, but if you want something colorful, this is the option to go with. It features a slightly bigger body crafted from stainless steel and aluminum alloy. Or maybe you'd prefer this sleek egg-like toy. The strong magnets inside provide you with a perfect level of resistance, and if you're one of those people who like insects, this little cocoon will definitely make you happy. Speaking of great materials, this toy is available in several different versions, from red copper and brass to the most premium Damascus steel. Finally, there's this simple toy with a ball inside. What can be more satisfying? Well, some people get their nails done, and some people put on their actual claws. These stainless steel rings will make any outfit look like a real armor, especially this eerie version with a built-in blade. Despite the tough look, the rings are still fairly comfortable to wear. You're free to bend your fingers as if you're wearing a regular glove, or maybe you're ready to put on the gauntlet of almighty Sauron. This is a unique handmade item crafted from genuine leather and iron. It's incredibly authentic and comes with a gold-plated ring with the original inscriptions, of course. Just be careful not to lose it like Sauron did.